Hey everybody, I'm Joe the AI Guy. Today I'll be talking about how Google is starting to use nuclear power to enable their data centers and AI research. This is an important step for Google because earlier this year, Microsoft had already secured a deal with 3 Mile Island for nuclear power. The big reason why some of the big companies are starting to use nuclear is it helps them to meet the global emissions requirements that are going into place starting in 2030, especially in the EU, but also it provides them stable sources of power so they don't have to deal with surges in usage in the power grids, and also they can adjust dynamically to customer needs, which will most importantly reduce the costs for them in terms of maintaining their data centers. So going through the article here, they came to an agreement with Kairos Power, who was the first company in, I want to say it was over 50 years, to get a permit to build a nuclear facility in the United States. This deal is for multiple reactors. The first one that should come online would be later this year. So a big point of this is it's a large investment now for Google, but it will pay off over time to help bring their costs down. Based on estimates now for a electric powered data center, cost estimates are it takes almost $100 million a year to maintain their current data structures. And by being able to shift over to nuclear, it should drop their costs by an order of magnitude. The estimates is probably about by 100 times. Pretty significant savings for the business, and that's a big reason why they're going to do this. A lot of the headlines now will talk about, using green or clean energy and compliance for the Carbon Reduction Act, but the biggest reason why they're doing this is they're getting a tax savings now, and then they are getting cost savings in the future. So they're investing in their infrastructure so that we can keep up. And then earlier this year, Amazon and Microsoft have already both secured deals, similar deals to this one, to start using nuclear power to operate their data centers. So not only is it good for the environment, it's good for the company's bottom line because it's going to reduce overhead. Hopefully we'll start seeing some of those savings passed along when you use things like Google Cloud or AWS in Amazon's case, or Microsoft's Azure platform. So overall, it should be good for all the customers in the long term. Right now, we won't see those savings, but it'll come a few years down the line. A big thing here, again, is that it's a stable energy source, so they won't have to deal with any surges in things like energy prices for gas or oil for them. And then, again, they get those big savings further down the line in terms of the costs.
Okay, that's all there is to it. I'm Joe the Data Guy, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions about how to build AI tools and models for small businesses, drop them in the comments below. I'll be there to help you out. Until then, see you next time.